Hello and welcome to this drum lesson. Today we're talking about subdivisions. As the term implies, we're dividing something into smaller pieces. And to make this somewhat comprehensible, we need to understand that a majority of Western pop and rock music is played in a 4/4 time signature. What is a time signature? I think the easiest way to explain it is that the top number, in this case the number 4, is the number that we count up to out loud. So 1, 2, 3, 4. This number can be exchanged to pretty much any number, so 3, 5, 6, 7, etc. The bottom number though comes with a note value attached, and the bottom number dictates that the numbers are the quarter notes. You can, for example, use the number 8 as the bottom number. This means that we would have to count all the 8th notes as numbers. And you can, of course, double it again and put the number 16 underneath, and that would mean that we have to count out all the 16th notes as numbers. But I digress. The given time signature for this lesson is 4/4, which means we count to 4 in quarter notes, and the tempo is 85 BPM, which stands for beats per minute. An easy way to think of these subdivisions, or note values as they actually are, is to think of a pizza. And if you have a whole pizza that you intend on eating by yourself, then you're not really dividing anything. You're just eating the whole pizza. Logic. In our scenario, this means that we're playing a whole note, which means we're filling out the whole bar with one stroke. However, if you're sharing your pizza with a loved one or a friend, then obviously you have to divide the pizza and slice it up. The easiest way, of course, is to just slice it right down the middle. We now have 2 equally sized slices, which means that we're gonna play 2 strokes in a bar, on the 1 and on the 3. However, everyone that's had a pizza before probably knows that eating a half pizza all in one go is pretty cumbersome. So we're gonna slice it again straight down the middle. And now, of course, we have 4 equally sized slices. I think you're getting how this analogy is working now. 4 slices equals 4 strokes. So now we're playing the quarter notes, which means we're playing on all the numbers. So what happens if we slice the pizza one more time? Well, of course, we get 8th notes. We count these as 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Maybe your friends have helped you move sometime. In Sweden, it's customary to buy what we call Flyttpizza. And if you buy a Flyttpizza, then probably you slice it up in pretty small slices. And so we've reached our 16th notes. These are usually counted out as 1E and a, 2E and a, 3E and a, 4E and a. So to recap, what are we dividing? Well, we're dividing a pizza. If we take the entire pizza for ourselves, that's just 1 stroke, that's a whole note. If we divide it once, then we get half notes, 2 strokes. Divide it again, we get quarter notes, 4 strokes. Divide it once more, we get 8 strokes, 8th notes. And divide it one more time, you get 16th notes, that's 16 strokes. Alrighty then, let's grab some drumsticks and a pad or play along on your knees. We're gonna do this together, 2 bars for each subdivision or note value, and the tempo will be 110 BPM. There are subdivisions in between these that we've learned today, but that's a future lesson. And if you want to see that, remember to press the subscribe button, the like button, leave a comment, and all that good stuff. Feel free to rewind the video, watch the explanation one more time, play along a few more times, and hopefully I'll see you in the future. Hade den varit gott med lite flytt.